My dishwasher won't start the cycle, it hums boo, that's it.
What's the brand and model of your dishwasher? How old is it?
It's a Bekjo, unsure of the model Beko.
How long has this been going on with your Beko dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
Just this morning, I've tried turning it on and off. The model is DSFN 1532W.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is James. I'm an appliance repair technician with over 10 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. Sorry to hear your appliance is having issues. Please stand by while I find the answer for you. This is not an immediate service, however, I will try and respond as soon as possible. To confirm, it hums when on standby?
No, when I try and start the cycle.
Okay, so it hums for about a minute, then goes quiet but does not start the program?
No, it hums until I turn it off. I turn it on, close the door, and it will hum until I turn it off. The cycle doesn't start. Any ideas? It was humming for 20 minutes before I tuned it off. Trude again, same thing.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. Sorry to hear you are having trouble with your dishwasher. Let's see if I can help you on this. If you can only hear the dishwasher humming, then it sounds like the drain pump is just running all the time. If the dishwasher is draining all the time, then this is down to a water leak in the base which has activated the flood switch in there. What you need to do is pull the dishwasher out and lean it 45 degrees backwards, and this will allow the water to drain out from the base. So you will need a towel for that part. Once the water is out, the flood switch will reset itself, and this will stop the pump from running all the time. Then retry it, and fingers crossed this is just a one-off that caused it. But if it does it again, then there is a leak under there which you need to find and fix. For this you need to remove both side panels, and then you can see the workings under there and check for any loose hoses. Try that and see how it goes from there, and let me know. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.